The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Saginaw, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Crowley, Forest Hill, and Hazel. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
One radio station. We are the sound of Texas. 95.